your vibe does not only attract your tribe, your vibe is what determines your stride. Hi, happy people. Helen Miller from youmeandhappiness.com. Let's get right to it. I'm going to share with you the 5 things that I personally use that keeps my vibe positive every day. If you can remember GPS, you're good to go. First thing, meditation. That's the first thing that I do every day. It's the top of my priority list, is meditating. I use a specific meditation. What meditation does, it raises your vibration. If you think of your body as energy, when you go into a meditative state, you connect with your light body. We all have this crystalline core, this light body. And when you meditate, you connect with that light body, and that affects your entire day because you make that connection, you get that information, and then you're good to go. Second thing, music. Cannot live without my music. I wake up in the morning and I immediately put music on. And I put happy music on. Don't listen to sad music. Listen to your best songs. I have a playlist with my favorite songs, and I always go to that playlist because you get those moments where you are tired or sad. When I get tired or sad, I just put music on. I'm like, Helen, don't overthink this right now. Just put music on, immediately changes your feelings, and that's how I keep my vibe positive throughout the day. Literally, all the time I play music. Then GPS. G stands for good everything. Eat good food, surround yourself with good people, make good choices about everything in your day. Choose the good things. Choose the things that make you feel good. Then P. P stands for positive self-talk. I am a master at positive self-talk. All day long. The thing I say most is, you can do it, Helen. You can do it. That's what you have to do all through the day. It's like whenever some negative thought comes in your mind, or when you feel you can't do it, or when the idea is too big or something, you just say, you can do it. You can do it. Don't think about it. I can do it. Just talk to yourself like this. Hold up. You can do it. Stop with that. Don't think that. Get yourself out of that. Now put on some music. Like, I have this conversation with myself all the time. Who cares if somebody hears you? Like, this is your life. So positive self-talk is extremely important. Then the last one, S of GPS, is soul's focus. Focus on those things that's going to serve your soul. Don't listen to the mind. Listen to what the soul wants. And that is where your purpose comes in. So throughout the day, to keep yourself positive, you need to do the things, you need to focus on those things that will serve your soul. So that's your soul's focus. So those are the 5 things: meditation, music, all the good things, good choices, positive self-talk, and soul's focus that keep me positive. Until next time, be happy, be free, and love your beautiful self.